What's going on, guys? My name is Charlie and welcome to yet another episode of how to make a good, delicious and most importantly affordable coffee at home. Today we are going to talk about possibly the most easiest ways how to make a coffee, and that's in French press. So let's move out to the kitchen and let's start the show. I hope you all have a great day, because today we are going to learn how to make a good coffee in this French press right here. This French press is made out of 6 parts. It's the plunger, the lid, the spreader, filter mesh, filter crossplate, and the glass baker, glass chamber, whatever you want to call it. It really doesn't matter. This French press is from IKEA. It's the most basic one. It cost me like $7, maybe $80, so it's really cheap. And again, it depends if you are going to make coffee only for yourself or also for your friends. So the bigger the French press, the bigger the price is going to be. I've got a small one because I don't have many friends. First, we're gonna pour water in our kettle and set up the cooker. Now we are going to need coarse grinded coffee. There's this thing called coffee grind chart, which is basically 6 different grind levels, starting from coarse to medium coarse, medium slash fine, fine and extra fine. So we are going to need coarse grinded coffee for our French press. So the easiest way to do this is go to the local coffee shop, ask the employee, they are going to grind the coffee for you. It's the easiest way. Once you've got the coffee, we are going to put into our container 2 to 3 teaspoons of coffee. Just experiment with it, try whatever is going to suit you the best. So now the water is ready. We are going to pour it in our French press and let it rest for 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, I think we're ready to go. So cover up the container and slowly press the plunger down. If the coffee is resisting, slow down, do not panic. Just take the plunger, pull it up a little bit, and then you are again able to press it down and be finished. If you are left with some coffee in your French press, either take another cup and pour it into the second one, or do not drink the coffee after you finished your first cup. It's just because the coffee has been sitting there just too long and it wouldn't be tasty at all. Alright guys, I think that's all I wanted to say. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, just leave a like and comment below. You can also subscribe. I mean, it's for free, and I'll see you at another video. Thank you so much for watching, and you know what I say, peace out.